Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on the Sui Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into your homepage after logging into your wallet. Now, from your homepage, you can tap on the QR code icon at the top right corner and you will be shown your QR code. Now, if anyone wishes to send you some funds or crypto, then they can simply use their scan code camera feature in order to scan this QR code to enter the send menu. Alternatively, you can also tap on your wallet from the top section and you will find the copy icon alongside each of your wallets. You can tap on this icon to copy your wallet address, or you may also tap on manage. And from here as well, when you expand your wallet, you can tap on the copy wallet address option to copy your wallet address to your clipboard. And then you can simply share this with any user who wishes to send you crypto, and they can use your wallet address to send you your desired crypto right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the Sui Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.